It makes Shauna look tiny. That thing is absolutely ridiculous. America, we have just found the most beastly, big, black truck.
I found it.
Shauna found it.
In Walmart car park.
That we have seen in a while. Look at that thing, man.
A ram. A big black ram.
That's the sort of truck that me and Shauna both desperately want.
This stuff excites me so much, honestly. Can you see the love I have for American trucks? I am obsessed with them.
How much would a truck like that realistically be worth?
We'll show you the front in a minute. But how much?
We're going to have to get finance, aren't we? It's going to be expensive, right? That is beastly. That looks like a monster truck. Like,
you need like a ladder to climb up to it.
how would you even get in there?
Look at it.
Size of this.
Look at the size of it.
Makes me look tiny.
You look so small next to it. That's actually hilarious.
Look how small it makes Shauna look. It makes Shauna look tiny. That thing is absolutely ridiculous. You wouldn't even be able to get in it. You wouldn't be able to drive it. No way.
That is cool.
She's